Hello and welcome to Titbit English Channel. My name is Adam. Today you will listen to a conversation between two friends discussing their weekend plans. Pay attention to some useful vocabulary used in the conversation.
Hey Sam, how has your week been?
Honestly, it has been exhausting. Work has been very busy lately.
I know what you mean. My schedule has been hectic too.
Exactly. I barely had time to relax.
So what are you planning to do this weekend?
I'm hoping to have a peaceful weekend.
That sounds nice. Do you have anything specific in mind?
I might go to the park and enjoy the scenery.
That's a great idea. Fresh air can really improve your mood.
Absolutely. Nature has a very calming effect on me.
Same here. Sometimes I go for a walk just to clear my mind.
Walking is a great way to unwind after a stressful week.
Exactly. Do you usually go alone or with friends?
Most of the time I go alone because it's more peaceful.
That makes sense. Sometimes being alone helps you think clearly.
Yes, it gives me time to reflect on things.
Do you listen to music while walking?
Sometimes. But other times I prefer complete silence.
Silence can be very refreshing.
It really is. It helps me feel rejuvenated.
That's a great word. Rejuvenated means feeling refreshed again.
Exactly. After a long week, everyone needs that feeling.
So what time will you go to the park?
Probably in the afternoon.
That's the perfect time to enjoy the sunset.
Yes, sunsets always make me feel relaxed.
Maybe I'll join you this weekend.
That would be great.
We could grab some coffee afterward.
That sounds like a perfect plan.
All right then. Saturday afternoon at the park.
Deal. I'm looking forward to it.
Great conversation. Now let's take a look at some useful vocabulary from the dialogue. Exhausting. If something is exhausting, it makes you feel extremely tired. Example: my job has been exhausting this week. Hectic. Hectic means very busy and full of activity. Example: my schedule has been hectic. Scenery refers to the natural beauty of a place. Example: the mountain scenery is beautiful. Unwind. To unwind means to relax after stress. Example: I like to listen to music to unwind. Reflect. Reflect means to think deeply about something. Example: I like to reflect on my goals. Rejuvenated. Rejuvenated means feeling refreshed and full of energy again. Example: a good vacation makes you feel rejuvenated. Learning vocabulary through conversations is one of the best ways to improve your English. Great job listening to today's conversation. Today we learned some useful words like exhausting, hectic, unwind, reflect, and rejuvenated. Try to use these words in your own daily conversations. Now we have a question for you. What do you usually do to unwind after a busy week? Do you prefer going outside, watching movies, listening to music, or relaxing at home? Write your answer in the comments below. We would love to read your responses. Thank you for learning with us, and see you in the next lesson.